On previous video I was uploaded question number 2 and 3 from exercise 1D. Today we are going to do question number 4 and 5. Let's take a start. Now you can see here we have to factorize y square plus 8y minus 9. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 9. It means we have to find out two numbers, two factors. When you multiply we get 9, and when you subtract, here is minus, so when you subtract we get 8. So what are the factors? Y square plus 9 minus 1 y minus 9. 9 and 1 are the factors. When you multiply these two, 9 into 1 9, and 9 minus 1 8. So when you multiply we get 9, and when you subtract, here is minus, so subtract. When here is plus, then adding. Now y square plus 9 into y, 9y plus minus minus 1 into y. You can write 1y, or y also you can write minus 9. Now from this two term we have to take common. Here is y square, here is y, so common is y, remaining y plus 9. From here also we have to take common. You can see here is minus, so we can take minus common. Here nothing is common, so we have to write down 1. So what is remaining here? Y. When minus is common we have to change the sign. If here is minus we have to write plus, if here is plus we have to write down minus. Here is minus, so we have to write down plus. When minus is common we have to change the sign. Here is 9, so we have to write down 9. Now you can see y minus 9, y plus 9, y plus 9, so we can take y plus 9 common, and remaining here is y, so we have to write down y minus 1 minus 1. Hope you understand this question. Now look at this one. Now here also we have to find out that type of factor, that of numbers whose multiplication is 42 and subtraction is 11. We can find out in this form also. 42, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 21 and 2. When you subtract these two we get 11. No, again we have to do by 2. We cannot divide by 3. 3 7s are 21. Now from these three number we have to find out two numbers. Now you can see here 7 into 2 how much? 14, and here is 3 minus 3 is equal to how much? 14 minus 3 means 11. And when you multiply 14 into 3 is equal to how much? 42. It means when you multiply we get 42, and when you subtract how much we get? 11. So what are the factors? 14 and 3. In this form you can find out the factors. So y square plus, in the place of 11 we can write 14 minus 3 y is here, y in the place of 11 we have to write 14 minus 3 minus 42. Now open the bracket. Y square plus 14 into y, 14y plus minus 3 into y, 3y minus 42. Now from first two term we have to take common, from last two term we have to take common. Here is y square, here is y, so common is y. What is remaining? From y square y is common, so remaining is y, plus y already common, remaining 14, so we can write here 14. Now you can see here 3 and 42. From 3 and 42 we can take minus 3 common, remaining 3 already common, y, so y we have to write down. I told you before also, when minus common we have to change the sign. If minus we have to write plus, if plus we have to write down minus. Here is minus, so what we have to write? Plus. We have to change the sign. 13 into which number? It will be 42. It will be 14. 3 into 14 is equal to 42. One thing you have to keep in your mind, this y plus 14 is here, definitely y plus 14 should be here. If these two are same, your calculation is correct, otherwise your something is mistake. This two always be same. Now y plus 14, we can take y plus 14 common, and what is remaining? Here is y, so y, here is minus 3, so answer of number B is y plus 14, y minus 3. Now look at this one, number C. We have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 120 and subtraction is 7. How to find out that factors? Look at properly here. 120 we have to write 2 6 are 2 zeros are. When you subtract we get 7. No, again we have to do 2 30s are, 2 2s are 4. 30 minus 4 7. No, again we have to do 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 15. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 15 minus 8, yes, 15 minus 8 is equal to 7, and 15 into 8 is equal to 120. So we can write x square plus, here we have to write 15 minus 8. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 15 minus 8. X minus 120. Now open the bracket. X square plus 15x plus minus minus 8 into x. 8x minus 120. Now from this two term we have to take common. Common is x. Remaining x plus 15. From here we can take minus 8 common. Remaining x. When minus is common we have to change the sign. If minus we have to write plus. 8 into which number? It will be 120. If here is 15, so definitely here also 15. These two always same. So here we can take x plus 15 common. X plus 15, x plus 15, so common. Here is x, so we have to write x minus 8 minus 8. Hope you understand this question number C. Now look at question number D. We have to find out that of a factor whose multiplication is 72 and subtraction is nothing, then what is here? 1. So we can do like this. If you don't know direct, first of all we have to divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. When you subtract this 2, we can get 1. No, again we have to do 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 2s are 4. 18 minus 4, 1. No, again we have to do 2 9s are 18. Now look at here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, yes, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, and 9 into 8 is equal to 72. It means when you multiply we get 72, and when you subtract we get 1, and the factors are 9 and 8. So x square plus, in the place of here 1 we have to write 9 minus 8 xy minus 72y square. Hope you understand up to here. After this, x square plus 9 into xy, 9xy plus minus minus 8 into xy, 8xy minus 72y square. From this two term we have to take common. Here is x square and here is x. Smallest one we have to take x. From x square, x is common, so remaining x plus x already common. What is here remaining? 9y, so we have to write here 9y minus. Now from here we have to take common. We know that 8 and 72, what is the common? 8 9 is 72, so 8 is common. Here is xy, here is y square, so smallest one is y, we have to take y common. 8y already common. What is remaining? X. And when minus is common we have to change the sign also. If minus we have to write plus. Now 8 into which number? It will be 72. 9s are 8 9s are 72. From y square, y is common, so remaining y, because y into y it will be y square. Now you can see here also x plus 9y, here also x plus 9y. These two always be same, so we can take x plus 9y common, and the remaining is x minus 8y. Hope you understand this question. Now question number E, you can see here a square plus 5ab minus 84b square. While multiplying 84 and while subtracting 5, we have to find out factors whose multiplication is 84 and subtraction is 5. So you have to find out factors in this form. 84, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again we have to do 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. We need 5. 21 minus 4 we cannot. 2 into 2 4. 21 minus 4 we cannot find out. Again we have to do by 2 we cannot. 3 7s are 21. So from here only we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 84 and subtraction is 5. 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6. 14 minus 6 we cannot. Next 7 2s are 7 3 are 21. No. 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are again 3 2 are 6, 6 2 are 12. Yes, 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 3 2 are 6, 6 2 are 12, and 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, and when you multiply these two terms we get 84. So like this you have to find out two factors. A square plus, in the place of 5 we have to write 12 minus 7 ab minus 84 b square. A square plus 12 into ab, 12 ab plus minus minus 7 into ab, 7 ab minus 84 b square. Now you can see from here we have to take common a square, and here is a, so we can take a common, remaining a plus a already common, 12b is remaining, 12b we have to write minus minus 7 and 84, so we can take 7. Here is ab, here is b square, so smallest one we have to take b is common. Common means b is lies here also and here also, so we can take b common. Now what is 7b already common, what is remaining, a. When minus is common we have to change the sign, if minus we have to write on plus, and 7 into which number, it will be 84. If you don't know, no problem, here is 12b, so directly you can write 12b also, because 7 into 12 is equal to 84, b into b square, this two always same. Now a plus 12b, a plus 12b, we can take a plus 12b common, and the remaining is a minus 7b, a, and here is 7b, so remaining a minus 7b. Hope you understand this question. Now look at question number F. Here by multiplication 78 and while subtraction 7 we need, you have to find out factor in this form. 78, first of all divide by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, so we need 7, but when you subtract this we get 37. Again we have to do 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 13 minus 6, yes, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, and 13 to 6 is equal to 78. So when you subtract we get 7, and when you multiply 13 into 6 we get 78. We have to find out same number, same factor whose multiplication is 78, and subtraction, when you subtract the same number 13 and 6 we get 7. So here we have to write a square plus, in the place of 7 we can write here 13 minus 6 a minus 78. Now next step is to open the bracket, a square plus 13 into a, 13a, plus minus minus 6 into a, 6a minus 78. From this two term we have to take common, and the common is a. Remaining from a square, a common, so a is remaining, because a into a it will be a square, plus a already common, what is remaining here, 13, 13 we have to write minus, so we have to write minus 6 and 68, so 78, so we can take 6 common, and directly you can write this one, a plus 13. 6 into a, 6a, when minus is common, we have to change the sign, in the place of minus we have to write plus, 6 into how much, it will be 78, definitely 13. Now you can see a plus 13, a plus 13, so we can take a plus 13 common, and remaining a minus 6. Hope you understand this question. Now look at question number 5. X square minus 5x minus 36. We are going to factorize this. While multiplying we need 36, and while subtracting we need 5. So we have to find out that type of factor, that type of numbers, two number we have to find out whose multiplication is 36 and subtraction is 5. We have to find out number in this way. First of all we have to write here 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, so when you subtract we get 5, no, we get how much, 16 here. So again we have to do 2 9s are 18, 2 into 2 how much, 4, 9 minus 4, yes, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and 9 into 4 is equal to how much, 36. So what are the factors, 9 and 4, when you subtract we get 5. Why subtract, because here is minus, if here is plus while addition, if here is minus then while subtraction, and whose multiplication is 36. Now we can do x square minus 5x minus 36, x square minus, in the place of 5 what we have to write, 9 minus 4 x minus 36. Now open the bracket, x square minus 9 into x, 9x, minus minus plus 4 into x, 4x minus 36. Now from this two term we have to take common, and from last two term we have to take common. From here when you take common, common is x, remaining x minus 9, plus 4 common, remaining x minus 4 into which number, it will be 36, 4 9s are 36. Okay, then x minus 9, we can take x minus 9 common, remaining x plus 4, so x plus 4. Hope you understand this question. Now look at next, number B. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 30 and subtraction is 1. So we have to find out factor in this form. If you don't know, I can write directly here 6 minus 5, 6 5 is 30, and 6 minus 5 1. But some students, if you have confusion, so you can do in this form, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 15. When you subtract, we cannot get 1. Again we have to do 3 fives are 15. Now look at here, 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and 6 into 5 is equal to 30. We have to find out that type of factors whose multiplication is 30 and subtraction is 1. And what are the factors? 6 and 5. So we can write x square minus 6 minus 5x minus 30. Now open the bracket, x square minus 6 into x, 6x minus plus 5 into x, 5x minus 30. Hope you understand up to here. Now from first two term we have to take common, and from last two term we have to take common. So x is common, remaining x minus 6. From here plus 5 is common, remaining x minus 5, 6 are 30. Now you can see x minus 6, so we can take x minus 6 common, remaining x plus 5, so we can write here x plus 5. Hope you understand this question. Now look at number C. Here we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 44 and subtraction is 7. So it's very simple. Just you have to take this 45. I'm going to do here, you can understand. 44, 2 22s are, when you subtract we cannot get 7. Again we have to do 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Yes, 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 means 7, and 11 into 4 means 44. So in this way you have to find out factors. X square minus 11 minus 4 x minus 44. So x square minus 11 into x, 11x minus plus 4 into x, 4x minus 44. Now from this two term we have to take common, and the common is x, remaining x minus 11, plus from here we have to take common is 4, remaining x minus 11. This two term always equal. Now x minus 11, so you can take x minus 11 common, remaining x plus 4, x plus 4. Okay, look at here. Now we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 6 and subtraction is 1. Here is nothing then 1. 3 into 2, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. So we can write here x square minus, here we have to write 3 minus 2 xy minus 6y square. X square minus 3 into xy, 3xy minus plus 2 into xy, 2xy minus 6y square. Now from first two term we have to, from this two term we have to take common, and from last two term we have to take common. Here common is x, remaining x minus x already common, so what is 3y remaining, so 3y we have to write down, plus 2 and 6 common is 2, xy y square, so common is y, remaining x minus 3y. Directly also you can write, because this and this both terms should be equal. So when you multiply you will get this 2 3s are 6, y into y square only. Now x minus 3y, we can take x minus 3y common, and the remaining is x plus 2y, so x plus 2y. Hope you understand this. Now look at next. You can see here the question number E, x square minus 13xy minus 30y square. We know that while multiplying we need 30, and while subtraction, because here is minus, while subtraction we need 13. So we have to find out factor in this form. You can see here 30, so we have to divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 15. Wow, very simple, we got in ones only. 13 minus 2, when you subtract this 2 we get 13, and when you multiply we get 30. What a luck, in one step we got. X square minus, in the place of 13 we have to write 15 minus 2, 15 and 2, xy minus 30y square. Now we have to open the bracket, x square minus 15 into xy, we can write here 15xy minus plus 2 into xy, 2xy minus 30y square. Hope you understand up to here. This minus it will be plus. Now from this two term we have to take common, and the common is x, x square x, smallest one we have to take common. Now from x square x common, so remaining x minus x already common, remaining 15y, so we have to write here 15y. Now again from this two term we have to take common, plus is here, plus we have to write 2 and 13, which table both will come? Definitely 2, so 2 is common. Here is xy and here is y square, smallest one is y, so we have to take y common. What is remaining? 2y already common. What is here? X, so x we have to write minus 2 into which number it will be? 30, definitely 15. 2 15s are 30. From y square y is common, so remaining y. One thing keep in your mind, x minus 15y, x minus 15y, this should be same. If here is same, your calculation, your whatever you done upside, it's correct, otherwise mistake. Now x minus 15y, x minus 15y, we can take common x minus 15y, and what is remaining here? X plus 2y, so we can write here x plus 2y. Hope you understand up to here. Now look at next question number F. You can see here a square b square minus 11ab minus 6t. So we have to find out that type of factor, that type of numbers whose multiplication is 60. When you multiply that numbers, we get 60, and when you subtract, we get 11. So first of all, we have to find out factor in this form. 60 2 30s are 60. When you subtract, we will not get 11, so again we have to do 2 15s are 30. Now you can see 2 into 2 4, 15 minus 4 it will be 11, and 15 into 4 it will be 60. So the numbers are 15 and 4. When you multiply, we get 60, and when you subtract, here is minus, so when you subtract, we get 11. So a square b square, in the place of 11 we have to write 15 minus 4 ab minus 60. We can write here a square b square minus 15 into ab, 15 ab minus plus 4 into ab, 4 ab minus 60. Now from this two term we have to take common. You can see here is a square, a smallest one is a, we can take b square b, we can take b common. What is remaining here? From a square b square, ab common, so remaining ab minus ab already common. What is here remaining? 15, so 15 we have to write down. Now plus, now you can see here 4ab minus 60. From 4 and 60, 4 is common, remaining ab minus 4 into which number it will be? 60, definitely 15. This and this should be equal, this two definitely it will be equal. Now ab minus 15, so we can take ab minus 15 common, remaining ab plus 4 plus 4. Hope you understand this video today related with factorization number 4 and 5. And please follow us on TikTok, you can follow on page, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notification of upcoming videos, and like and please share with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep in touch, keep supporting. Have a great day.